Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's now 2021, I think it's the 4th of January. Just a little update. What have I been doing? Wiring. That's all I've been doing. But what I can say is, yeah, she's struggling up the embankment, look. These two bottom lines are now wired to my distribution boards, and the difference is well worth doing. This Locomotive is like putting at the same effort all the way around the layout. Before the distribution boards were working, there was the nearer it got back to the control desk, the quicker it got, but now it's constant. Absolutely constant all the way around, the same speed, the same effort. And that's my B17 West Ham United. Just going down the gradient. Sorry about the camera work and the state of the loft, but here she comes up the gradient, here she comes, look. Nice and gently, nice and gently. Yes. So the wiring is paying off. Hours and hours of wiring and distribution boards, but the end result is worth it because it's very consistent now. Excellent stuff. You can see there's bundles of wire everywhere, and I'll show you why in a moment. Here we are, more DC wiring coming out of the normal trunking and going up a drain pipe to get to that junction through there. Can I see if I can zoom in? Wrong way, Al. To get to that junction over there. So that is all the points work. I've not sent a train round there yet, but there's the wiring coming up through the bars. It looks untidy because not all of it is soldered in yet, but now sitting at my control desk, that's the B17 taking what? Oh, about 1/10 of an amp. Let me throw number 10 and we'll stop it in the station that's not there. Here we go. See if I can pick her up. She's just trying to get up the embankment at the moment. When she comes. And she's coming off here for the first time into the station that's not there, and I'm so pleased. It's getting very consistent now, so that's it. I would like to take her around, but them rails over there are all very unclean and are not tried and tested. So yeah, I'm going up there. Look, I'm going up and up and up into the big station. Work has been going on. The other thing that's happened, I've decided to go straight across the loft with some trunking. So I'm going to make a ramp for the floor, and each wire that goes this way will save me about 3 or 4 meters of wire instead of going this way. If you know what I'm saying. And this trunking is getting quite full, so excuse the camera work. Yes, I've gone across the floor with some trunking, so that will get me across to the other side to service that end of the station, and this end can be conduited to that end of the station. Look at my lovely bridges all broken up, not broken up, but out of place. But yeah, so that's coming for 2020 in the next few weeks. So here we go, unrehearsed again. Yes, come on baby. She's going to reverse out onto this junction. Here she comes. This B17 is working really well. I am enjoying this train. There we go, we're outside the junction. Let me do number 10 back. Right, come on then, let's have you. There she comes. There she comes. Well, I'm so pleased. The consistency of this track is just getting better and better and better. There she goes. Yes, there's track levelling to do and there's a few nasty little snags, but yeah, it's all coming slowly. You will get there. Come on back, darling, come on. Come on. Yeah, so my rails are getting cleaner and more concise. This B17 is probably run in now, but I'll leave you with it going. So that's Al in the loft. Off you go, baby. I have to buy myself a whistle. That's Al in the loft. More coming in 2020. And not a tree or a blade of grass in sight yet, but there she goes. Take care, folks. Be good, be safe. Bye bye. There she goes. Bye.